Hello everyone, today we'll be learning about pen control and fine motor skills for early years students in nursery and reception. By practicing this, it will help them when they are in Key Stage 1 and expected to write letters and numbers correctly. So first we'll pick up our pencil the way I've shown it in the previous video. So we nip, flip and grip, and we will practice the pen control and our fine motor skills. So we have this worksheet here and we'll go over the lines. Okay. So we start from the bottom and we go all the way to the top. Stop, and back down, stop. It is okay if it goes over the line, as long as you are trying to establish the grip of the pen and the paper with your hand. You can go over it again to try and perfect it, but the main objective is to have a sturdy control of the pen. Here are more practices for your child to try. We've got another one here as well, which is a bit more of a pattern. This is really important to make sure your hand is on the paper, otherwise you will not be able to go around properly. It's really important. So these papers are on Twinkl and they're free. You can print it out for your children. I'll put the link in the description. Have a try. Thank you, and like and subscribe.